2, 3, 4. What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some classic Guns N' Roses. I Used to Love Her. Cool. So for this song, let's start with tuning down the guitar to E flat, okay? So we can play along with the album. So tune down the whole guitar from E to E flat. So your D should sound like this. We only have 3 chords. Song is in D, A major, 1, 2, 3, and G major. And it's 2 guitar parts. So let's talk about the strumming first, and then the bluesy thing. Okay, so we got D major, 1, 2, 3, 4, A. Say down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down. So down, slap. Down, slap. Down, slap. Same form, over and over. G to A, G to A, and stay longer on D. Okay, and let's talk about the other guitar that's playing like a bluesy thing here. So over the D major, instead of holding D like this, do this. First finger and second finger. G, B. So instead of that, we just do that. Okay? And then we want to use our pinky to go. So you hold these guys. You don't let it go, and you just add the pinky on 4th fret G string. Same strumming. And for the A, you can bar it like that. We want to add a 3rd finger or pinky on 4th fret D string. And then for the G, you know, we play like this. Now we want to add 1st finger on the D string. Very cool. The G part, just play normal. Actually, from there you can do the bluesy thing. And if you play this song by yourself, you can do a mix of both rhythms. Thanks guys for tuning in. Great fun song. Don't forget to tune down to E flat when you learn this, okay? I'll see you tomorrow. Be safe. Take it easy. Thank you.